Welcome back, dear students. In this video, we are going to derive what is the equation of a straight line in slope-intercept form. Okay, so let us derive the slope-intercept form of a straight line. So the name itself suggests slope-intercept form means. So in this, we will be having the slope of the line and the intercept of the line. We know what are intercepts of a line. So intercept and if a line meets x-axis at some point A and y-axis at some point B, then OA is called the x-intercept and OB is called the y-intercept, right? So you should remember this. So with proper sign, so it depends. So ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, so remember this intercepts of a line. So here let us consider a straight line. So here we have two different equations. I will derive both the equations. Okay, so let us consider a line L. This is the line L whose slope is m. So slope of this line is m, and this line meets y-axis or intersects y-axis at a distance of small c above the origin. At a distance of small c above the origin. That means this line passes through the point 0, c. See here, c is considered as the y-intercept of this line. Okay, and so we have to find out the equation of this line. So in intercept form, slope intercept form. Okay, so solution, proof. See, since this line passes through the point 0, c and the slope of the line is known to us, so we can make use of slope point form of the line to derive slope intercept form of the straight line. Okay, andre ee line ಒಂದು point ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ and we know the slope of the line, so we can easily derive the equation of the line by using slope point form. Okay, so proof. So you need to explain this diagram. So let L be the line having the slope m which intersect y-axis at a distance c above the origin. Therefore this line passes to the point 0, c. So here we know that the equation of the line in slope point form is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Okay, so by using this formula we can find out the equation of this line which is having slope m and passing through the point 0, c. So 0, c na x naught y naught togole. So y minus y naught is c. This is equal to slope of this line is m itself. M into x minus x naught is 0. So y minus c equal to mx. Therefore y is equal to mx plus c. See, this is the required equation of straight line in slope intercept form. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, slope ಇದೆ m and so this is the slope and here we have the y intercept. So very important formula, y is equal to mx plus c is the required equation of line in slope intercept form where the line makes y intercept c. Okay, if the line makes x intercept d, then what will be the equation of the straight line? So let us see. So this is the equation of the line when the line meets or intersects y-axis at some distance c above the origin. Okay, that means if the line makes y-intercept. Suppose if the line makes x-intercept, then what will be the equation of the line? Suppose the line L, this is the line L whose slope is m and which makes the x-intercept small d. So usually we consider the x-intercept as a and y-intercept as b, but in this particular formula we have considered the y-intercept as c and x-intercept will be considered as d. Okay, So this point I will take as small a, sorry, capital A, and this distance is considered as D. Okay, then the coordinates of this point are D comma 0. So here this line makes x-intercept small d. Okay, so and the slope of this line is m. So again this line passes through the point D comma 0 and having the slope m. So we can make use of the same formula, slope point formula, to derive the equation of this line. Okay, so very simple. Again I will consider the same formula because this line is now passing through the point D comma 0, which I am going to consider as y0, x0, y0, and we know the slope of this line, which is small m. So we can easily derive the equation of this line. So we know that y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x0. So now we need to substitute for x0 and y0 as D comma 0. So y minus y0 is 0, m is m itself, into x minus x0 is small d. So therefore y is equal to m into x minus d. This will be the equation of the straight line in slope intercept form, where the line makes x-intercept small d. So you need to remember both the equations. See, if the line makes y-intercept small c, then the equation of the straight line will be y is equal to mx plus c, when the straight line makes y-intercept c. Okay, if the straight line makes x-intercept d, then the equation of the straight line in slope intercept form will be y is equal to m into x minus d. So you need to remember both the equations. So very simple derivation. Hope you have understood this. Okay, let us solve the problem on this derivation. So first go through the question. Write the equation of the lines for which tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. What is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but the slope of the line, right? Here we need to find the equation of the lines for which tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. And theta is the inclination of the line. Here theta is the inclination of the line, andre in tan theta enagutte, it is nothing but slope. So slope of the line is given. Okay, so here once the y-intercept kottidare, y-intercept is minus 3 by 2, and again in the next case we are given with the x-intercept. See, in both the cases we need to find out the equation of the straight line. Okay, here the slope is given and y-intercept is given and x-intercept is given. We know the equation of straight line in both the cases, when y-intercept is given and when x-intercept is given. Okay, so first of all write down what is given. Solution: given slope of the line m is equal to tan theta, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So in the first case what we are given with? We are given with the y-intercept. So remember, you need to remember the equation of straight line in slope intercept form when the y-intercept is given and when the x-intercept is given. See, when the y-intercept is given, what is the equation of straight line in slope intercept form? Y is equal to mx plus c, right? Y equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line and c is the y-intercept. When the x-intercept of the line is given, the equation of the straight line in slope intercept form will be y is equal to m into x minus d, where m is the slope of the line and d is the x-intercept. Okay, so here we need to find out the equation of straight line in both the cases. So in first case the y-intercept is given, which is nothing but c is equal to minus 3 by 2, and in second case we are given with d, which is the x-intercept, d is equal to 4. Okay, so in the first case let us find out the equation of straight line. The required equation of line is y equal to mx plus c. So that is y is equal to m is 1 by 2. So in both the cases the slope is same, that is 1 by 2. Okay, plus mx plus c means minus 3 by 2. Therefore y is equal to half into x minus 3 by 2. Okay, so here 2 will be the LCM. Then this becomes 2 times of y. So this is equal to, if you take 1 by 2 common, or you can take LCM. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 if I take common. So y is equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 3. So if you cross multiply this becomes 2y is equal to x minus 3. So take these two terms to the, better you take this term to the RHS. So x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. So this will be the equation of straight line in slope intercept form where the y-intercept is given. Okay, now let us find out the equation of straight line with slope m and where the x-intercept is 4. So in the second case, equation of line will be, so y is equal to m into x minus d. So y is equal to, we know the value of m as well as d. So m is 1 by 2 and x minus d is 4. Now further simplifying this, cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ, what you will get? 2y is equal to x minus 4. Take this term to the RHS. X minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This will be the equation of the straight line which makes x-intercept 4. Okay. Hope you have understood this problem as well as the derivation. So if you get any doubt, please let me know after watching this video. Thank you all of you.